Hello, my beautiful people. Welcome back to my channel. If it's your first time and you just came across this video, don't forget to like and subscribe. And if you are my subscriber and you are watching, thank you for your support. So, on today's topic, we're going to talk about Bianca Costa. So, this is what happened to Bianca Costa. Like, this thing started years ago. I'm sure by this time it is for more than 15 years or 10 years. Let me say more than 7 to 8 years. So there's this guy who goes by the name of Chris Excel. He created an account on Twitter, which is now known as X, and he used a picture on his profile picture, and he is saying horrible things about celebrities. He's saying things that I'm sure if people knew who he really was, they would have done the same thing that they did to Musa Kaula, because there are some things that you say, guys, you will ask yourself, like, are you not scared to say things like this about people? So people were approaching Ubianca Costa, asking her that why are you posting such things about people? And Bianca Costa ended up by saying, that is not my account, that is not me. I don't know who is behind that account, and I've asked that person so many times, several times, to please remove my picture, and Chris Excel just said nope. So, guys, she did not say exactly, like, maybe he responded or he did not. She just said that she tried to reach out to the owner of that account so many times, asking and begging them to remove a picture, because people are coming to her when she's in public, asking her about the things that that account is doing. And she said it has somehow ruined her life. So, I think it was last week, that guy, he removed, oh, he photoshopped that picture of Bianca Costa, and he placed another person's face on the same picture. So this is how it looked like. So maybe it was because maybe he started feeling pity because now he has ruined her life. So maybe he just felt like, you know what, it's time for me to just free Ubianca Costa. So hi, that's all, guys. And this is so big. Like, imagine you have everything in life, you are pretty, and then just that person comes and take your picture and ruins your whole entire life. Like, yo, this is so hard. This is so hard. So yeah, guys, don't forget to like and subscribe. See you on my next video. Bye.